Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see a scenario that you might face in your support project. So this is a scenario when your client reports that they are not able to create any further physical inventory document. So let us start to create a physical inventory document. So the T code to create a physical inventory document is /n/WMPI underscore create. So here I'll take a product. So I have this product sitting in Pumpkin. So I'll quickly select one line item, set a flag. I'll set a flag. As soon as I set a flag, I'll try to save it. As soon as I save it, it says interval 02 for 2026 does not exist. Error in document number assignment. Document number assignment not active. Save cancelled. Object will be received. So what happened? I'm not able to create a physical inventory document. So why it is usually created whenever we are having a calendar, new calendar. So what do we mean by new calendar? So as you can see, today's date is 5th of January 2026. So what happened? Earlier, client was able to create this physical inventory document, but now they are not able to create. So this problem will usually occur when we have a calendar, new calendar here. To resolve this problem, we need to go to SPRO. Okay, inside that you need to come to SCWM, EWM. Then you have internal warehouse processes. Go inside that. You have physical inventory. You can expand that. Here inside you have warehouse number specific settings. Here you can set define number in this for physical inventory document. Once you expand that and you can key in your warehouse number, okay, go to internal number, you can see you have 2025 as the year. Okay, 2025 client was able to create 9 documents. Okay, that is what it was intended to. Okay, client were able to create 9 documents. How can you verify whether that is correct or not? You can go to your monitor screen. Okay. Just double click on physical and embedded document. Do not give any entries, just open widely execute it open. So here you can do 2025, they were able to create document 1 to 9. Okay, after that, they didn't create any document. And now when they started creating the 10th document, it was giving an error because the year has now changed from 2025 to 2026 due to a new calendar year. So to be able to create it for 2026, what do we need to do? We need to create a new number range. So it will be again 02. It will be 2026. This one, what you can do, you can copy this one. Let me copy, paste, make this one. Then I'll copy paste this one. I'll make this 100. Okay, so then how, from 10,001 till 10,001. Okay, so I'll be able to create the number in this from this. Okay, let me quickly save it. Again, we do not need a TR to save this because these are cutover activities and they do not need any transports to save this. And whenever you are like your client or you are facing any problem on whichever system it is, like whether it is development, quality, or production, you need to make this configuration in the same system itself and make sure the number should be the same that you were earlier using. Like for 2025, you are using 02. So here also you need to use 02. If it is using 01, you need to use 01. If it is something other like AB or BD or AC or PI, whatever it is, the same thing you need to put it over here. Okay, and make sure that the new number range that you are giving is not inside this number range. Okay, it should be outside the number range. Okay, so it is a good habit to copy this number and plus add +1 over there. Okay, then quickly save it. Once it is saved, let's come out of SPRO. Now let's go back and create this again. Okay, set flag. Let me save it. As soon as I save, you can see I'm able to create, and you can see the first number in first document that got created is 10,001 of 2026, the year 2026. And if you want to verify that also, if you go to again SPRO, same screen. Okay, let me quickly go to the same screen. SCWM, EWM, internal warehouse processes, physical inventory, warehouse number specific settings. And once you go inside this, enter your T code. Sorry, warehouse here you can see NR. NR means this is the number that has already been created. You can verify the same thing also in your monitor screen. You can see 10,001. Okay, now if you want to count this document, so what you do, you go and display physical inventory. This document is created. If you click on count also, So sometimes it will throw an error, like you'll not be able to display, right? If I put 1001 and execute, it will throw an error that we are not able to find the document, because make sure in the default values you need to change this year to 2026. Then only you'll be able to display this document in your PA underscore count, right? This is PA underscore count. You can see it over here. Sorry, PA underscore process. Okay, PA underscore process. You'll be able to count only and only if change the calendar year to 2026, document year to 2026 in the default values tab. Okay, and then you can perform the counting and posting as per the standard physical inventory process. Remember, when there is a change in calendar year, this is the common problem that you would face from your customer. You can face it with the customer, or maybe you can face it when you're working or testing something in your system. So make sure to add that entry in your number and just field in your SPRO. Okay, and then make sure that you are changing the default values over here in the PI underscore process equal. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you.